Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to combine PDF files into one or how to merge PDF files into one. First, you will need to have two different files in MS Word that you want to combine. Make sure you have these files ready on your computer. Then, open your web browser. In the search bar of your web browser, type in Combine PDF and hit Enter. Look through the search results and find a website that suits your needs. Once you found the website that you want to use, click on the link or the button that says Combine PDF. This will take you to the PDF combining tool on that website. On the PDF combining tool page, you will notice that you have the option to select up to 20 PDF files and images. You can either click on the Upload Files button to browse and select the files from your computer, or you can simply drag and drop the files into the designated drop area on the website. After you've selected the two files that you want to convert and combine, click on the Open button. This will upload the files to the website server. Once the files are uploaded, you will see that they are now ready to be downloaded. Take a moment to review the options available on the website and make sure to select the option that says Combine PDF. Now, click on the Combine button. The website will start the process of combining your files into one PDF document. After a few moments, you will see that your file has been successfully combined. You can now click on the combined file to view it. Scroll down the page to see the contents of the combined file. You will see that both of your original files are now merged into one document. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.